We're here on the top of Mount Bromo, an active volcano in Java, Indonesia. We're standing right here on the rim, the caldera. And instead of taking the stairs back down to the parking lot, which is over there, way over those little white specks are the tops of all the 4x4s. Instead of taking the stairs and that giant line of people that you see over there and getting stuck in the traffic jam, we are going to hack our way down using this path. You see that dark line and those two people standing over there? We're going to slip and slide our way down the mountain, all the way down with our own path. Here we go. Oh, one sec. Let's just do one more sweep of the volcano before we go. Awesome, no? Okay, that was a good little panorama. Let's do this. Let's go.